So my name is Joshua Ndubuisi. I am on the Public Services course at East Sussex College, Eastbourne. I'm a Level 3, a Year 2 student. So Bob and Zoe, we both have Bob and Zoe. They're absolutely brilliant. Bob has quite a big background with the police as an ex-police officer, which for me is a bonus, because obviously that's what I'd like to do. So in terms of liaising with him and working with him, and obviously having lessons, so maybe with legislation and things like that, the lessons are straight from what he knows. It's not, it's not sort of, he's not relaying information. So in terms of for the lessons, it is direct knowledge that we're obtaining from him. So it's absolutely brilliant. With Zoe, she's got more of an RAF background, so for me it doesn't apply, but I have many friends within the class that obviously would like to pursue a career in that direction, and so for them it's a bonus. But it's really nice to have the sort of the experience and knowledge straight from the heart sort of thing. It's not relayed across. It's not like when I'm at cadets and I have the information sort of part. It's just it's absolutely brilliant. It's brilliant. I actually receive life coaching once a week from one of my tutors, from Zoe. It's something that she specialises in, has done for a very long time. I've overcome hurdles where I've had quite bad confidence issues. I have I've sort of not been myself, and she picked that up straight away. She pulled me to one side and said, look, I think I can help you. Explained her plan, and I just grabbed it with two hands, and I have life coaching every week and absolutely love it, and she's been fabulous. It's allowed me to regain my confidence and work with her once a week and overcome any hurdles that I've sort of come face on with in the course, and it's just I can't ask for a better tutor and for better support, really. So when I leave college, when I turn 18, I'd like to apply for the police directly. I would like to go into the police as a police community support officer. I would like to start off on the prevention side of policing, so more long-term dealing with people. It's not like response where you go to the job and there it's done there and then. So I'd like to work on the prevention side of policing. And first of all, when I started public services, I actually wanted to work on the response side of policing. But over time, alongside obviously with cadets and with what I've learned on public services, my views have slightly shaped on what I'd like to do. So I'd like to start off on prevention and then work my way up to response. So that'd be going in as a constable eventually. And public services has allowed me to work that out. I mean, I started off, as I say, wanting to go into response, but when I found out the specific job roles and what they do on a day-to-day basis, I thought, well, actually, this role suits me more, because it's a nice way to work your way in, and obviously once you've got your foot in the door, it's you've got more of a chance to excel to where you want to go to. So for me, that's what worked out best.